Dear students, welcome to the video tutorial on prescription. What are the learning objectives of this topic? Upon completion of this topic, the student will be able to define prescription, understand parts of prescription. Next, what is prescription? A prescription is a written order from registered medical practitioner to pharmacist to compound and dispense a specific medication for the patient. The prescriptions are generally written in the English language, but Latin words or abbreviations are frequently used in order to save time. Now, here is the reflection spot. Have you seen prescription? If you went to the hospital for treatment, if yes, now let us reflect and think on this question. What does prescription include? Take a pause, think and write your answer. When you are finished writing your answer, then you can play the video. You might be seeing these parts of prescription. Now we will see which are the different parts of prescription. First, date. Second, name, age, sex and address of the patient. Third, superscription. Fourth, inscription. Fifth, subscription. Sixth, signature. Seventh, renewal instructions. And last, signature, address, registration number of the prescriber. These are the various parts of prescription. Now, this is the traditional format of prescription, which is written on the prescription pad containing name, address and phone number of the hospital. First, date. Date helps a pharmacist to find out the date of prescribing and date of presentation for filling the prescription. Narcotic and other habit-forming drugs must bear the date. Second part, name, age, sex and address of the patient. These information must be written because it serves to identify the prescription. It also helps the pharmacist to check the prescribed dose of medication in case of children. Third part, superscription. What is superscription? It is represented by symbol superscription, represented by symbol RX, which is written before writing the prescription. It is an abbreviation of Latin word recipe, which means you take. In olden days, the symbol was considered to be originated from the sign of Jupiter, god of healing. Next part, inscription. This is the main part of prescription. Contains name and quantities of the ingredient. Inscription can be divided into three parts: base, adjuvants and vehicle. In this prescription, sodium bicarbonate is an antacid drug. Maximum dose 3 gram. Compound tincture of cardamom 2 ml as a flavor. Syrup 6 ml as a sweetener and water as a vehicle. Next, subscription. What is subscription? It gives direction to the pharmacies for preparing the prescription and number of doses to be dispensed. Next, signature. What is signature? This consists of direction to be given to the patient regarding administration of the drug. In this format, these Latin words translated into English as 1 tablespoonful to be taken 3 times a day after meal. Next, refill. Number of authorized refills are indicated to prevent misuse of prescription. And last, signature, address and registration number of the prescriber. It is important in order to avoid misuse of information. Coming to our next part, modern methods of prescribing. Nowadays, the majority of the drugs are available in the market, a ready-made formulation, manufactured by different pharmaceutical companies. Thus, there is no need to dispense the drugs by the pharmacies. This is the typical format of modern prescription, which contain generic name, trade name, dosage form, the language use of English instead of Latin, metric systems, weights and measures instead of grains and meters. This is the typical format of modern prescription. Thank you.